This talk is brought to you by the Bamberg Mathematical Consciousness Science Initiative.
So I'm a neuroscientist. So I'm very excited to be here. So I just want to talk a very niche topic. Please just close your eyes and imagine a sunny sand beach. So most people would say they could visualize something in their mental imagery like this. So it's like a picture format correspond to what really seeing on your memory. But some people, like 1 to 4% of individuals in general population, each time when I give a talk, some people will say they have never seen this in their mind. So we call it aphantasia. So to define those people who report have no mental imagery. But the question is, do they have no mental imagery at all, or they just have mental imagery somewhere or visual representation somewhere and not aware of it? Recently, a lot of research on psychology and neuroscience focusing on aphantasia find actually while they are trying to visualize apple or faces or a lot of stimuli, they could reactivate the visual cortex, so either high level or low level visual cortex, and they could perform a lot of tasks like a visual working memory and even visual imagery tasks. So this raises the question, aphantasia, whether this could be a case that that mental imagery could be unconscious. So this is a little bit paradox because in philosophical tradition, mental imagery should be conscious, but this case of aphantasia raises more and more um, discussion on it. So we have no conclusion on this topic. Recently, I proposed a neural model about how transforming unconscious visual representation to conscious mental imagery and how aphantasia would fall on it. So when you're trying to imagine an apple, so you have a concept, an apple is a round edible fruit, and this could trigger the sensory representation in the visual cortex. But in this stage, it's still elementary and subliminal. And there is a second step for this pre-conscious integration, like binding shape and colors into a complete object. And then at last, there is amplification of integrated contents to the global neural network space. So along this stage, multi-stage models, we transfer a concept code to a visual experience. So aphantasia could have this concept retriever or even reactivate of the sensory cortex, but their amplification to the conscious axis would fall. So that's how I define aphantasia have a model probably help us to study the conscious axis to internal representation. Thank you. I finished.